Hello viewer. Thank you for watching today's video. Let's check out how to draw a dice. For this, we have used white acrylic paint and A4 black sheet. Did you know? The word dice is derived from Old French and Latin. It is a combination of the words die from French and datum from Latin, which means something which is given or played. The oldest dice was found in an archaeological site in southeastern Iran, but no one knows for sure because dice have been found in cave drawings which were found 40,000 years ago. The first written records of dice are found in the ancient Sanskrit epic the Mahabharata, composed in India more than 2,000 years ago. According to archaeologists, native people throughout North America and Mesoamerica constructed dice of a wide variety of materials, such as fruit pits, shells, or teeth, or even split reeds or sticks. The world's smallest dice could fit on the end of a pencil, which measures just 0.3 millimeters. Did you know the dots on the side of the dice planes have a name called as pips? December 4th is celebrated as National Dice Day. If you find it informative, do let us know by hitting on like button. Please do subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click on bell icon for instant updates. We would love to hear your thoughts in the below comment section. Share it with your circle. This would really encourage us to do more. Thank you. Take care.